All right, let's now run this. Today we are going to discuss about checking whether we have the any remaining not a number value within our data set or data frame. So to do that, let's open here. We have visualization. Under visualization, we open this, and we also restart kernel and run all cells. Just run. Now you just come here. Let me comment this one. We want to check whether there is any not a number using this method. Not a number is NaN. Using this method, and then you see after is now we use this attribute for checking all values, and if any, we use any method to bring us true or false. So if false means there is not a number, and if true means there is not a number. So let's run it and see. So shift enter, and the false. Now clean, we are clean. Database is very clean because there is not a number. Okay,